Nice. This song is so awesome. I wish I could actually play it, but this is as close as I can get to teaching you the chords, at least if you want to just kind of strum the chords on your acoustic and maybe try to sing it a little bit. This is as close as I can get you. This is really informal format for this lesson. Normally I do like a little green screen and more close up, but I'm gonna go for it here and just try to show you what I'm doing. So we've got a B minor to a D major 7 voicing. That's what I think I'm hearing anyway. So that puts the song in the key of D major. So what I'm doing to play that B minor, I'm playing a B minor over E, and I'm sure that has like a jazz chord name. So you got your ring finger is just going to set down on the 9th fret of the D, and then index finger is going to bar across 7th fret of the A through high E. So it gives you kind of that B minor with an E in the root. So then we're moving down to D major 7. So index finger sets down 5th fret of A, ring finger 7th fret of D, middle finger 6th fret of G, pinky 7th fret of B. So the strum pattern to simplify it as much as I can, let's see. We got down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. So one more time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And that'll kind of probably metamorphosize itself as you start speeding it up, and you know, you got to throw it. And I'm not sure exactly where you're going to throw in your little, you can throw in some mutes, just some like chucks across the strings where you karate chop and just rake the pick really fast. But anyway, this is the chords I was using for the verses. Now there's one little cool little like transition chord in there that you hear like once in a while in the verse. It only happens once each verse, and you probably don't even have to play it. But if you want to play it, I think it's a B7 inversion. So you would just bar the 7th fret D, G, and B, and set your middle finger down on the 8th fret of the G. Okay? And that happens kind of in between. Just for a second, see that? And it doesn't happen every time. Like I said, I think I only heard it once in each verse. All right, so that's the verse chords, right? Okay. And then there's some stops, so you just kind of, you can just not play during those. And then right before it goes into the chorus, you're going to hear so right before the chorus, you've got this chord, which I believe is an A over B. So you're playing an A, voicing here with your pinky on the 7th fret of the D, middle finger on 6th fret of G, index finger on 5th fret of B, and then your ring finger sets down here on 7th fret of low E. So you're kind of muting out the A, and you could probably let the high E ring open on that one since you're holding an E here on the 5th fret of the B string. But you want to try to mute out the A string with the bottom of your ring finger a little bit. So that's your voicing. So you're just going to go down, up, down, up. All right. And that's like the... gets you into the chorus. So the first chord of the chorus is G major 7. So index finger 3rd fret of low E, middle finger 3rd fret of B, ring finger 4th fret of D, pinky 4th fret of G. And again, muting out the A if you can with the bottom of your index finger. Just focusing your strum on just the strings you're holding. So So we're on that G major 7. Then we're going to go to F sharp minor 7. So index finger 2nd fret of low E, middle finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 2nd fret of G, pinky 2nd fret of B. Again, same concept, mute out the A and just focus on strumming the strings you're holding down in the chord. Then we got to do this octave walkup. So that's pretty simple. Index finger 2nd fret of B, ring finger 4th fret of G, and you're just going to play it. You just mute out the D string now, and you focus your strum on the A and the G string. You're going to strum, move it up to 4th fret, strum again, 5th fret, strum again, 7th fret. So you got 2, 4, 5, 7. So just a big walk up. Then we're going to do that same chord voicing we did up here, the A over B, but we're going to do it down here so it's a G over A. So pinky 5th fret of D, middle finger 4th fret of G, index finger 3rd fret of B, ring finger comes way up here to 5th fret of A. Again, muting out the A. So let me hear that. So all of that, so we're on that G over A. Then we're going to go to D major 7. We went through that one once already. So you're going to just do a whole note strum. Then you're going to go to G major 7 again. We covered that one already. Another whole note strum. And then after those whole note strums, you know, during those the dynamics chill out a little bit. Then it's going to go back into, I believe, the F sharp minor. Yeah. Okay. So now getting back into the next verse, you got, and we covered that one, F sharp minor 7. Then we're going back to that A over B again. And then we're going to be back into verse. Alright. So that covers the verse and the chorus. Now, thinking ahead. This is the end of the second verse, or second chorus. Oh wait, what do we got here? Oh, okay. This part I forgot about. So we got. Okay. Okay, I think that would work good there. There's so many cool chord changes in this song. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, so at the end of the second chorus. So what we had was, it was doing those whole nuts drums again. And then, what did we have? So these are all chords we've covered. So we got that G major 7 to the F sharp minor 7 to the A over B, F sharp minor 7, A over B. Then we go to F major 7 to E minor 7, I think, and then to our G over A. All right, so F major 7 we haven't covered yet, so I'll show you that. Index finger 10th fret of A, ring finger, index finger 8th fret of A, ring finger 10th fret of D, middle finger 9th fret of G, pinky 10th fret of B. So it's like just like that D major 7 we were playing on 5th fret, but it's right here on the 8th fret. So E minor 7, very close. You know, you could probably play that same chord we were playing, the B minor over E, but I just thought, why not throw in an E minor 7 there? It's not much different. It's the same chord, but you just add your middle finger here on the 8th fret of the B. So you've got. To your G over A again. So I think that's. Wait, what happened there? Okay. So here we go. Let's see. Here it is. Okay, I think it went to that again. Oh, okay. So we're on the G over A. Then G major 7. Okay. F sharp minor 7. Okay, it's pretty much the same from there on out. But yeah, so we were hanging on the G over A. Then it does just the super whole note outro chorus. I think. So that's probably as close as I can get you on this one. I'm sorry that I didn't really have like a super defined lesson plan on this one, but sometimes you just gotta like listen to the song and just keep playing along and find something that works. You can't encapsulate everything into a lesson, because then it would be, you know, I wouldn't want to do like a super like defined lesson for you and just have that forever encapsulated in time, because it could be wrong. And I want you to just kind of like experiment a little bit and find, maybe you can find some chords and comment, hey, this chord works way better here, this chord works way better there. And that way we have a record of, you know, good ideas and better ideas of how to play this tune. But anyway, hopefully that gets you a good start, and I will see you on the next video. All right, have a good one.